there? Your meatball collection?
Goodbye.
I thought we were friends. I was kidding you in a friendly fashion. Who are you guys?
We're just like you. Tow truck drivers who got greedy.
Is Louis keeping you prisoner here?
No, we're waiting for him to give us a timeshare presentation.
Actually, we're an a cappella group, and we're going to sing Under the Boardwalk.
The truth is, we're just waiting for each other's hair to grow so we can braid it.
Okay, I get it. I'm not stupid. It's number 2, right?
Under the boardwalk, down by the sea, on a blanket with my baby, that's where I'll be.
Sure is great.